Hi everyone, I'm David Winter. I'm the president and one of the co-founders of Canuck Play, and it's Sunday afternoon and getting ready to start our submission process this next coming week for a submission to first party Sony and Microsoft on the 14th. But today I wanted to take just a moment to show you what I've been working on for the past week to 10 days. And that is the Maxim Football 2018 uniform editor. I didn't announce it back a couple months ago when I started talking about what features were going to be in the game this year, because at the time I didn't know if I was going to be able to get it in the game or not. So found some time in the schedule and decided that yes, this was something that I could accomplish, and so hopefully you'll enjoy what you see today. So this is our main menu for Maximum Football 2018, very similar to what we had last year with Canadian Football 17, but with an extra button for customize. So this will take us into the customize mode. Obviously, you can do various things. This is the New York Admirals, and here you can do things like change the team name, abbreviation, what city they're in, primary and secondary colors, what stadium they play out of. There are 10 stadiums to choose from, and you can also choose from a collection of logos, so you can change the logo if you want. You can change the roster. I'm going to go up to the quarterback and load the quarterback, and you'll be able to do things like change the basic biography of the player, last name, first name, height, weight, that sort of thing. You can change various settings like what player model they use in the game, what their default position is, what skin tone they have, that sort of thing. You also have the ability to change all their ratings. So this quarterback here is not very fast, but his passing accuracy is very high. So you can those are what you can do for the particular player. Here is the depth chart. You can do player substitutions in-game from the play selection screen, but this is where you do your major depth chart changes, changing on a per formation basis. So every formation can have its own depth chart. And this is the uniform editor, which is new for this year as well. And it's something that I was able to accomplish over the past few days. There are options to change the home uniform, the away uniform, and specifically for the helmet. And you can do things like, I'm going to, in this particular case, I'm going to edit the primary jersey color to a really obnoxious green so you can see it. And you'll notice that I'm changing the color values with an RGB slider component. And I chose to use RGB sliders as opposed to a collection of colors pre-made colors that you could just choose from, because there was no way for me to really come up with all of those colors that you'd possibly want. Having 16 or 32 colors just wouldn't give you all those variants that you'd probably want. So RGB sliders gives you options of millions of colors. And it's a little slower to use. It takes a little bit longer to edit your uniforms, but you've got more control over the specific color. So that's why I used sliders instead of a collection of pre-made colors. Now, as soon as I close that dialog, you can see that the uniform has changed to that god-awful green. And if you've gone through and you change your various options and you decide that you don't like it, you can just hit X and it will revert back to the default stock colors that I'm shipping with the title. In this particular case, it's New York, and it's a red, and it's kind of it's a blue, and it's kind of a dark red. And you can rotate the player to see the front and back, and you can change to their away uniform, and you can change, these are the options for changing a specific helmet colors. You've got basic mask color, single and double stripes. You can change the, from the home team editor, you can change what font is used. There is a collection of fonts. So you can change what font is used for the whole uniform, helmet, everything it's used as a common font. So that is the basics of the things that you'll be able to change with the teams and the players. That's the basic customization tools for Maxim Football 2018. Like last year's title, this is an iterative process, so post-ship there will be content updates that will improve features, add new things that you didn't get on shipping, that sort of thing. Sports titles in particular are a very iterative process. Not every feature is 100% from the get-go. They are added to and improved upon over time. But I think what this does out of the box is give you the majority of things that you want to do to change, to customize your teams. The basic jerseys, sleeves, various stripe types. You can change the stripes on the socks, you can change the pant colors, that sort of thing. So the majority of what you'll want to change it should be there for you. So I just wanted to take a few minutes and show you that, and hopefully you'll enjoy what you'll get in a couple of months. If all goes well with the certification, we should be launching the title on Xbox One and the Sony PS4 in summertime, with a PC build coming a little after that. The priority right now is to get the consoles taken care of, and then I can go back and start spending some time on the PC builds. So that should wrap it up for the day, and thanks for checking us out.